Django, request.session not being saved. I have a pretty simply utility function that gets an open web order if there is a session key called ordered, and will create one if there is no session key, and the parameter creative not found is equal to true in the function. Stepping through it with my debugger, I can see that the piece of code that sets the session key after an order has been created does get hit with no exceptions, but when I check the HTTP request object session field, it does not have that attribute. Utility.
In some cases, you need to explicitly tell the session that it has been modified. You can do this by adding request.session.modified equals true to your view after changing something in session. You can read more on this here. This URL.
I had a similar issue. Turns out I had set session_cookie_domain in settings.py to the incorrect domain, so it would not save any of my new session data. If you are using session_cookie_domain, try checking that. For example, if I am running the server on my local host but I have in my settings session_cookie_domain equals no localhost, then nothing I change in request.session will save.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.